Arrest me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Arrest me. Arrest me. Arrest me.
Stay in your corner.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing
Stay in your
wrong.
corner.
You're a piece of shit. I didn't do anything.
July 14th, 2025. Orlando Airport. A bar tab refusal becomes a criminal case. This analysis examines theft of services law and police de-escalation.
Is she?
She's having a horrible day because her man's family don't like her and they kicked her out of the house. So
Okay.
she booked a flight to go to New York today.
Okay.
And I heard that someone was waiting for her outside. So I've been trying to tell her to pay her bill to go. So
Okay.
just go, pay your bill and make sure you can go outside
Yeah, do your thing
and come back. She said she was going to Melbourne.
Okay. Cool.
Florida Statute 812.014 defines theft as obtaining services with intent to avoid payment. The amount is irrelevant. Consuming without paying satisfies the offense.
Hey, come.
Hi.
I've done nothing wrong.
I know that.
I've done nothing.
I know. You don't have to make a big scene about it, nothing. She's just asking for you to go ahead and pay the bill.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
No problem. Go, call the police.
We are the police.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have your card or cash or whatever? However you want to take care of your bill. That way she can cash you out. Okay.
I've done nothing wrong.
Nobody said you did.
All right, they're not going to bother. They're just going to make sure that you're okay because you fell asleep. The camera saw you fall asleep. They're just doing their job. I just need you to pay, but you're good. You can go to your flight safely, okay? You just want to make sure you get to your flight safe.
Okay. That's all. Nobody's harassing you. Nobody's trying to bother you. Just making sure you're okay. This is your purse right here, darling? Your key?
Yes, it is.
Okay, can you get out a card or cash? And pay her so we can all go. She'd like you to thank you. She'd like you to pay her bill. Okay?
Do me a favor.
I appreciate it.
I've done nothing wrong.
I'm aware of that. But they're
I don't
asking,
think you are.
They're asking you to pay your bill so you
And
can
I
leave.
just need you to square up with me when we close, okay? Please?
Okay?
How dare you?
Okay.
Ma'am,
We're not doing that.
ma'am, we got law enforcement here. I just need you to pay your bill. That's it. We're wasting time, okay? Please?
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. My name is Christine. I'm from New York. My name is Christine. I'm from New York. So tell me what you want from me. I've done nothing
This is
wrong.
your first time standing up a little bit. Just stay right where you are. What you could do is, again, for the 5 millionth time, go in that purse, grab out some form of money, a debit card, credit card, something,
I've done
and pay your
nothing
bill.
wrong.
All right. Yeah, she's just gonna keep playing dumb.
I'm not playing dumb.
Oh, you're playing something. You can tell me what it is, but you're definitely not sober nor willing to pay. So that's not really helping us right now.
Welcome, Alpha 72 for our check.
Arrest me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Arrest me. Arrest me. Arrest
Stay
me.
in your corner.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing
Stay in
wrong.
your corner.
I've done nothing wrong.
Can I talk to you, please? I'm Officer Gonzalez.
I've done nothing wrong.
You have done something
No,
wrong
I haven't.
because, like they explained to you, man, listen to me. You
I've
haven't-
done nothing wrong.
We gave you ample opportunity to pay the bill.
I've done nothing
You
wrong.
haven't done that. Now, you done wrong because one, theft for services. You haven't paid for the drinks that you received. You are intoxicated. You're not supposed to be in a public place intoxicated for your safety and the public safety, and more for your safety, because you're intoxicated. You want to make sure you're safe and no one takes advantage of you, or you get hurt, you fall, slip. All right, so we're here to try to, we do want to help you as well. That's why we're here, and you keep repeating yourself. Now, if you don't pay for the services, you'll go to jail.
Officers had probable cause. Employee report, subject's admission, refusal to pay. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, arrest for misdemeanors is constitutionally valid. Notice the repeated de-escalation attempts. Officers explained consequences clearly. They offered multiple chances to resolve civilly before proceeding to arrest.
You'll go to jail for, you haven't gone to your person, guys.
What are you talking about?
So, and we don't want to take you to jail for that. But you keep repeating to it, and right now you are intoxicated. I don't think I don't know if you're listening to understanding. If you know. Look, you drop your phone right there. Can I pick it up and give it to you? The phone. Can I pick up your phone and give it to you, ma'am? Okay. I'm just gonna move the chair.
I'm not doing anything.
There you go,
I'm
ma'am.
not doing anything.
The phone is in here.
Okay, all right.
Remember when you kept asking us to
Writes that,
I'm not doing anything.
begging for it?
All right.
Ma'am, could you go ahead, turn around and put your hands behind your back, okay? Do you have anything that are sharp on you by any chance, ma'am?
No.
Do you have anything that may be considered contraband, like at the jail? Because if you introduce any type of, like drugs or any type of, you can go ahead and lean up against that if you need to. I don't want you falling down. And I'm going to put these handcuffs, okay? So they're not made for comfort, okay? So I'm going to put 2 fingers in between it, all right? Just to make sure. All right. And I'm going to do 2 fingers right here. Like I said, they're not made for comfort, okay? All right. Are you on the A side or B?
I'm on the B spot by United. I'm giving you her. He got her name here.
All right, there's your
Oh,
ID.
we got more
Okay.
stuff. Let me. That's some info on them.
All right, let's go on over here. Is this your stuff, ma'am?
Yeah, it's got her ID on it.
All right, and hold on, 1 second. We're going.
They're not going to accept these at the door, right?
Yeah, go ahead. That's contraband. It's trash. Did you have all those this morning or today?
Would you need to finish
The
them?
fireballs? Okay.
I told her to do that.
You want her cash out? Just a couple of dollars.
Yeah, just make sure that her cash, and we can just put it in her pocket. If there's any other contraband items in there. Oh, she got a ticket. Did you miss this flight? Let's see. Is that yesterday or today? Let me look. Kristen Javanich. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to be able to take your purse with you to the jail. This is trash and alcohol contraband. We're going to throw that away. Okay. You're going to keep your cash. We're going to give that to the nurse when we get there. Okay. As far as the ticket goes, we're just going to. This is just for our record. Okay. George, I'm going to need that, but
Shove.
yeah.
One.
Looks like 2, 3,
2.
or 4 maybe. Just fold it. We're going to put it up in her left pocket.
$3.
All right. Fold that. Yep. Perfect. Okay.
Trash.
Yep. All right. And that officer has searched that. You should be able to bring all that to the jail with you, okay? Now, as far as this bag right here, not sure if they're going to be able to take it. We can get with United, and maybe they can keep it here with them, okay? All right.
Sorry.
So unfortunate. I think mental illness.
Yeah, she also has pills in her, I'm sure.
No, the situation come in. She sat down and asked for a double teal, so she wasn't drunk, but she was crying because her boyfriend broke up with her and said that his family's from Mexican descent and didn't like her no more because she's white. And so that's really unfortunate. I said, some people in life there's either good or evil, right?
Mm-hmm.
And she was fine then. And then she asked for one more.
Mm-hmm.
I was giving her some advice, like things to listen to, going through a breakup, like to work on yourself, go to the gym.
Mm-hmm.
I talked to her for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then she asked for one more, I gave her one more double, and then she started falling asleep, and then the guy from New York tried to help her, right? And I asked her to pay her bill, and I said, hey, I can't have you sleeping here, and then she started doing it again. And then I think the camera saw it.
Yeah.
Or probably the camera saw it. I hadn't called yet because I was trying to alleviate all the work.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. If it worked for you, it's worked for me.
That's fine. Well, for you, yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
We're gonna go over here. Come on. Keep, ma'am. Come on. One foot separate.
I've done nothing wrong.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah, I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, I think tomorrow you're going to see things maybe different.
No, I've done nothing wrong.
George, if you want to just do a quick scan, we don't have a female, so I did a quick pat down on the outside of my hand. That's the best I could do.
I've done nothing
I haven't really
wrong.
been able to explore the waistband, but it appears that it's flat. There's nothing.
I've done nothing wrong.
All right, so just he's just going to use the outside of a.
No problem.
282.
I've done nothing wrong.
In reference to that subject, she's not coming back out of New York. And that name's gonna be 1054 for 2019.
We copy. Thank you.
I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, all right. The inside looks good. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go your backside first, and then just watch your head.
I've done nothing wrong.
I understand what you're saying, ma'am.
No, you
I
don't.
do. All right. So we're gonna turn around this way, and I'm gonna just
I've done nothing wrong.
sit back on up. Watch your head. All right.
I've done nothing wrong.
So just go ahead and try to scoot with your legs. Okay?
You're a piece of shit. I didn't do anything. I did nothing wrong.
Scoot over a little bit more.
I did nothing wrong.
I understand, ma'am. We need you to bring your legs in, okay?
I can't bring my.
I'm gonna help.
No, it hurts. It hurts.
Which part hurts? It's not made for comfort, but it shouldn't be painful. All right.
I did nothing wrong.
I'm gonna put this seatbelt on, okay? All right.
I did nothing wrong.
So your seatbelt's
I
on.
did nothing
If
wrong.
you want to go ahead and lean back.
It hurts. It hurts.
This here. Hold on. Here's what you do.
It hurts. It's killing me.
You know what? Maybe here's what I'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and double cuff them, okay? So you have a little bit more room, okay?
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
I'm gonna double cuff her.
I don't double cuff me. I've done nothing wrong.
Just give it back to me when you get back. I got training here in a little bit, so.
Okay.
I've done nothing wrong.
What I'm gonna do, ma'am, is I'm gonna double cuff you, okay? Just don't make any sudden movements while you're. This is for your comfort, okay?
Help you on that side.
I've done nothing wrong.
Yeah, if you want to. Yeah. All right. So what I'm gonna
I've
do?
done nothing wrong.
This is just for your comfort, okay?
I've done nothing wrong.
Understood, ma'am. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
I've done nothing wrong.
All right. That should feel a little bit better. It's gonna go right back on, okay?
I've done nothing wrong.
All right. So it's gonna go right around here. We're gonna do the same thing as we did last time. 2 fingers, okay? That's just so you don't get out, okay? But if you twist it, it's not gonna help, okay? So don't twist it, all right? And you should have enough room, all right, for now. And what we're gonna do? 1 second. Ma'am, stop doing that. Ma'am. What are you yelling at? What are you yelling about?
It hurts.
What hurts? What hurts?
It hurts.
What hurts? Okay. There shouldn't be any need for any pain, okay? Because there's nothing painful being caused to you right now, okay, Christine? It's not meant for comfort, but you've got plenty of room in these cuffs, okay? All right, and I'm gonna make sure this is double locked. Yeah. Right here, okay? So it's not gonna just get tight on you all of a sudden, okay? So it's right around there. You got plenty of wiggle room, okay? Just don't pull one, all right? Officer George Gonzalez is going to transport you to the Orange County BRC for booking, okay?
What?
Yep. And what's going to happen there, they're going to
What?
process you. Yep. We've got all your information that we need. Our investigation for now is complete,
Let
okay?
go, let go, let go, let go.
I'm not touching you, okay? You're in the back of a police car, ma'am, all right?
Let go of me. Please let go of me.
I'm not touching you, ma'am, okay?
I don't think you are. Please let go of my. Please let go of me. Please let go of me.
I'm going to shut the door, okay? And we're going to make sure you've got plenty of air conditioning, okay?
Please.
Florida Statute 856.011 prohibits public intoxication endangering safety. Airports are explicitly public places. Intoxication here creates security concerns. The arrest decision came only after exhausting verbal options. De-escalation doesn't mean infinite patience. At some point, enforcement is required. Graham versus Connor governs use of force. Reasonableness judged from officer's perspective. Hand control and handcuffing are minimal force. No strikes or weapons deployed. United States versus Robinson authorizes search incident to lawful arrest. Officers search for safety and evidence. Procedure was textbook correct. The handcuffing technique demonstrates professional standards. Two-finger test, double locking, and accommodation for comfort complaints. Double cuffing extends handcuff length while maintaining security. This extra step shows empathy despite the subject's hostile behavior. Officers maintain professionalism despite verbal abuse. No charges added for profanity. No retaliation. This is modern policing. The charge: petty theft, second-degree misdemeanor, under Florida law. Maximum penalty: 60 days jail, $500 fine. First, offenders typically receive pretrial diversion, not incarceration. Grading analysis: officers A-, exceptional patience and legal articulation, professional restraint under stress. De-escalation exceeded minimum standards. Subject: F, criminal conduct, refusal to comply, escalating behavior. Multiple opportunities declined. No personal responsibility demonstrated. Department: A, quality training evident. Body cameras ensure accountability. Professional culture reflected in officer conduct throughout. Key lessons: first, theft of services is real theft, regardless of amount. Consuming food or drinks creates a legal obligation to pay. Second, cooperation with lawful commands is not optional. You cannot refuse a lawful arrest. Compliance is required by law. Third, intoxication impairs judgment and escalates minor issues. In airports particularly, monitor alcohol consumption carefully. Fourth, officers demonstrated that de-escalation works when properly applied. Patient communication, clear warnings, professional demeanor throughout. Fifth, body cameras protect both officers and the public. Objective evidence prevents false claims and ensures accountability. A simple bar tab became a criminal record. Entirely avoidable. One decision to pay could have prevented hours in custody. This case illustrates how minor choices create major consequences. Know your obligations. Know your rights. Make informed decisions. Share your analysis in the comments. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns. This is educational content, not legal advice. Consult an attorney for specific issues. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay safe.